This is Ampligame A8 USB condenser microphone from Fifine, and they sent me this to test and review, but this is going to be an honest video about the microphone. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and check what's in the box. So in the box, you have a 6.5 feet USB-C cable, a pop shield, a mount adapter so you can mount it on boom arms, and of course the A8 USB condenser microphone with desk stand and shock mount. Alright, so now that we know what's in the box, let's go ahead and check the design of this microphone. So this mic already comes with a well-built and good-looking desk stand that has a tilt mechanism so you can position your mic accordingly. And that alone is already a win because not all microphones come with desk stands. This mic also has a shock mount and an aesthetic pop filter. Alright, so moving on to the ports, you have two ports at the bottom of the mic, one USB-C to power it on, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which you can use not just to monitor your mic, but it can also serve as your primary playback device. To adjust the volume of the mic, you have a gain knob at the back, which for me could have been placed better so you can see the knob right away without the need to rotate the mic. They did a good job though in placing the mute button on top of the mic, which is very visible, and the light indicators would also help you because it will turn red when it's muted and turn green when it's not. And for the RGB lovers out there, this mic has several RGB color choices which you can toggle by tapping the RGB button at the back. And if you're like me who's not a big fan of RGB, you can also turn it off by long pressing the button for 5 seconds. This mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which means that it can pick up sound directionally. So let's do a little bit of a polar pattern test. I have the mic gain set at 12 o'clock for this test. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. This time, let's do a proximity test and check how much sound this mic can pick up from a distance, and I still have the gain set at 12 o'clock for this test. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check, test mic 1, 2. Let's also do a quick guitar test and check if this mic can cleanly pick up the sound of the guitar. Although you've been hearing this mic since the start of this video, let's also do a quick vocal test to see if you can use this mic for singing. I look at her and have to smile as we go driving for a while. Her hair blowing in the open window of my car, and as we go I see the lights, watch them glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And of course, let's do the noise floor test with a mic gain set at 12 o'clock. So those have been my thoughts on the Fifine Ampligame A8 USB condenser microphone. As of the recording of this video, this mic is priced at $48 and in the Philippines at $3,300. Purchase links in the description box below. If this video helped you, please consider pressing the like button, leave a comment below, share the video if you want to, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.